Hi guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful certificate like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So first of all, let's create a blank document. Alright, so I'm going to change the layout here to blank. So I'll go to the design tab and customize it. Oops. So I'm going to customize it and choose A4. So I'll leave it the landscape and click on OK and maximize. Alright, so the first thing I would like to do here is to insert a shape. So to insert the shape, I easily have to go to the insert tab, locate my shapes here. So if I click on this one, the shape that I'm to insert will be the rectangle shape, which is here. So I simply have to just click on it and draw my rectangle shape like this. Alright, so I'll remove the outline, give it no outline, and the shape fill, I'll choose this color. Alright, so again, let's rotate this one here. So let me bring the rotation here. Alright, so at this point I'm trying to position it well. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. Alright, so I'll just take this one again and duplicate it to this side. So let me close in here a little bit. So I simply have to just do it this way. Alright, so by leaving it this way, I again have to go to the insert tab again. I'm going to insert another rectangle shape. So I just have to click it here and come and draw it. So by this time around, I'll right click on it, go to the format shape. So here, I'll just give the shape fill, that's the fill there, give it no fill. So I'll come to the line here, that's the outline. So the outline, the width of it, I'm going to give it 7. So let me just highlight this one, select this one and give it 7. So the color, I'll choose this color here. Alright, so definitely I have to just bring this one here. So let me close in here a little bit. Rotate that one also. Oops. So I'm picking this one. Alright, so I can simply leave it this way for now and also take this one here. So let me close in this one a little bit. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So let's just take this one also and duplicate it to this side. So I can close it in. Let me gently scroll down. Alright, so let me take this one again, duplicate it to this side. So I'll let this one go this way. Alright, so let's take this one again. The shape here, let's duplicate this one here. So to duplicate, I'm just pressing and holding the control key and drag. So if I press and hold the control key this way, I easily have to just come and click here and drag. So to duplicate. Alright, so I just want to close in this one and give it transparency. So here, which is here, so it's 0, so I'm changing it to 90. Alright, so I like it as a 90, so I'll just leave it that way. So I can bring it here. Alright, so let me again duplicate this one to this side. So take it again, duplicate it to the top there. So take it again here. Alright, so let's again go and insert another line. So back to the insert tab and back to the shapes. So I have the line here. I simply just have to come and draw my straight line. So the straight line, I'm going to give it the width of 7. And a color, I'll go with this color. So I can gently position it to the center. So let's again take this one, make a copy of it. That's duplicate it here. So as I said earlier on, to duplicate, control and click, you press and hold the control key and drag to duplicate. Alright, so I think we are done with the design here. So the next thing again that I would like us to do is to now start to insert the text boxes. So I have to go back to insert tab. So I have the text box here. So I simply just have to come and click here to insert the text box there. So the text box, inside of this text box, the text that I'm going to place inside there will be the certificate. So let me select all of it this way. So I use Ctrl A to select. So I'll align it to the center. So here I'm giving this Algerian. So just spell Algerian, or you can just click here to find, you'll find it here. Alright, so the size I'll choose 44. Alright, so let's change the color also. So I can gently place it here. I think that's the center. Alright, so let's again duplicate this one here. Alright, so I'm just going to change that text also and the font there. So I'm leaving the font as area rounded, and the size I'm giving it 20. So the text is going to be of achievement. So I'll select all of it this way and italize it. So the color, I'm choosing color black. So let's again duplicate this one here. So this time around, let me change the font also. And the size, I'm giving it 18. So I'll go with this certificate. It's proudly presented to. Alright, so let's remove the italic. So another duplication again. So this one will be name and surname. So I'll use the Edwardian script, and the size I'll choose 66. Make it bold. So the color also, let me choose the brown here. So let me take this one, duplicate it here. So the width of it, I'm changing it to 2. And the color, I'm changing it to the brown. Alright, so let's take this one again. So let's duplicate this one also here. I don't want us to be inserting a lot of shapes to go back to the insert tab again to insert another text box. That's why I usually like duplication. So it makes our work fast and even easier to work on. So I'm just going to change this text. So the text here, let me change the font first. So the text here is just going to be the description of what the certificate is all going to be about. So I'm just going to randomly generate some text there as my description. But if you have any, you can simply place it in there. So I'm just going to go with RAND. So I want one paragraph with possibly 3 lines. It's okay. Alright, so I'm just trying to position it well. So let me take this one also. bring it down a little bit. Alright, so let me take this one also, and this one, bring it down also, so I can push this one back here. Alright, so let me now take this one and duplicate it here. So let me change the font and the size. I'm changing it to 16. So this one I'm going to change it to date. So the date can be placed here. So whilst signature will be right here. Alright, so let's take the line. Alright, so with this line, let's change the width to 1. Alright, so last thing that I want us to insert there is going to be the medal. So I'd like us to insert a medal here. So I have the medal inside my device. So if you are to insert the medal, you simply have to just go to the insert tab. You can find pictures here because it's a picture. If you want to go work with online, you choose the online pictures, but I'm working with offline because I have it in my device. So I have to choose this device. So here, that's the location of where it can be found inside my pictures. So I'll just click here to insert it. So I can shrink it here. Let me use this one to shrink it. Alright, so as you can see, my medal has been inserted and everything looks nice and fit. So thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.